Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel erpzen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create department value sets in Oracle Fusion Financials. This is very important topic for chart of accounts, GL setup and real-time implementations. If you are preparing for Oracle Fusion interviews, project work or functional roles, this video will be extremely useful. So let's get started. What is a department value set? In Oracle Fusion, a value set defines allowed values for a segment in the chart of accounts. The department segment represents organizational units such as finance, HR, IT, sales, and operations. These values help in cost tracking, expense analysis, department wise reporting. So now let's get understand with a real time example. Suppose a company has departments like 100 finance, 200 HR, 300 IT and 400 sales. When user create journal entries or invoices, they must select only these valid department values. This control is achieved using a department value set. And now let's go and define department value set. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, select offering as financials. Now search for the tags called manage chart of accounts value set values. Now hit search button, select manage chart of accounts value set values. This is where we create and manage value sets. Now click on plus symbol, that is nothing but create. Now enter basic details. In our earlier session, as we discussed, key prefix as XX underscore erpzen underscore department erpzen department. Select the module as general ledger. Now validation type as independent. Independent value sets are commonly used for department segments or all other segments. Now select character. Now value subtype as text and give the maximum length as 5. Now hit save. Now here you have to remember you cannot override value set code, validation type, value data type and value subtype. Now common interview questions. Which validation type is used for department value set? And the answer is independent. Can department value set be shared across COAs? The answer is yes. So today we have learned what is a department value set and how to create it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel erpzen for more Oracle Fusion Finance related tutorials. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and growing.